Hey friends, if you wish to open a PDF file on Windows 11, obviously we have the Adobe Acrobat Reader as an option, but there's a better option here. First of all, I will save this file as a PDF to show this, okay? So click on File and then select Save and then select Browse. Go to the location and change the format to PDF. Click on Save. Was this helpful? Wait, then I'll show you what has to be done next once it is saved as a PDF. It will automatically open in Microsoft Edge, or it will prompt and then open in Microsoft Edge. Now this page is a little different from any other page that is opened on Edge. For example, if I open this website on Edge, you won't get the same options as you get for a PDF file. These options allow you to highlight, draw, write text, or translate language, or add copilot, etc. for it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.